Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to solve a Wi-Fi problem on Samsung mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, you have to move on setting. Then from here you can scroll down to on down. We are going to find the general management. So move on general management. Then from here again you have to scroll down to reset. Click on reset. Then from here again you have to click on reset network setting. Then here you are going to find the Wi-Fi, mobile data, Bluetooth, but click on the reset setting and click on reset. Okay. After having click on reset, the problem of Wi-Fi problem and the mobile data problem and Bluetooth problem will be fixed on your mobile phone. Okay. You just need to click on the reset option. Okay. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.